All right, guys, here we go. It's 2013 Panini America's Pastime. This is a 2-box break. Let's go ahead and screen share you over right now. We got William B up top. Down at the bottom, we have William S. Good luck to everybody that got in on the break. Here we go. All right, last time through. Let's make it 7. All right, Charles C., spot number 1. Eli, you're in spot 30. All right, so now we've got the Diamondbacks up top, the Nationals at the bottom. We're going to run the teams through 7 times as well. There it is, Giants, spot 1. Twins, spot 30. Let's match them up. All right, guys, those are our team assignments for the break. If you'd like to make a trade, you can. Just offer it up right there in the chat board. Some heavy odds there, huh? Got to lay the juice. All right, good luck. Here we go. No trades. Let's make it happen. First up, 2 of 25. Paul Konerko right there, Chicago White Sox. Frank Thomas, 107 of 125, also for the White Sox, the big hurt. Boston, 56 of 125, Tim Wakefield. Characters of the game right there. And here we got the rookie relic, Jordy Mercer, 85 of 125 for the Pittsburgh Pirates. '92 of 125, triple relic, past, present, and future. Duke Snyder, Matt Kemp, and Yasiel Puig. This goes out to the Dodgers owner right there. Very nice. David Adams, 83 of 125 on this. New York Yankees. '20 of 25. Detroit. 20 of 25. Detroit. Bruce Rondon. Next up, Number 31 of 125, Mitch Moreland for Texas. Mitch Moreland right there. Five of 25, Jonathan LaCroix for Milwaukee. And 11 of 49, bang, Jose Fernandez for Miami. The Marlins right there. Jose Fernandez, 11 of 49. Nice. Here we go. 69 of 125, Jonathan Papelbon, Philadelphia. David Wright, 6 of 25 for the New York Mets right there. Characters of the game, 56 of 125, Johnny Damon, Boston. Next up, career numbers, 30 of 125, relic, Bo Jackson. Bo knows. That's going to go to the Kansas City Royals right there. Let's double check it real quick. Kansas City Royals, of course. Yep, Kansas City Royals. Here is a Silhouettes card. 100 to 125, Cincinnati Reds right there. Cincinnati Reds. Devin Mesoraco. Here we go, Brad Miller. 86 of 125. Seattle. '91 of 99. 91 of 99 right here. This is a Mike Zunino. Seattle. The boys of summer, Ron Gant for the Atlanta Braves. 13 of 15. Nice one right there for the Atlanta owner. Two of 10. Arizona Diamondbacks, Matt Williams. 2 of 10, Matt Williams. Nice hit. Last but not least, this is 39 of 99. And it's going to be for the Tampa Bay Rays, Will Myers right there. Nice hit. $39 of 99 on that. Nice. Will Myers right there. All right, guys, that's going to do it for our 2-box break of Panini America's Pastime. Let's get it over to YT. And as always, thank you for getting in on the breaks here at Friendly.